Hi, so what I'm going to do is I've got an image and I want to delete the old watermark and put my new watermark on there. We're just going to swap over the watermark. So let's put you onto screen view so you can see what I'm doing, and I'll talk you through it, okay? I've just done the video once and saved it and find out that the microphone wasn't working. So I'm going to do it again. So all we're going to do is swap two logos over, and it's very simple. So let's go to find our image first. So if I just open images there, and I'm going to find my file, which is RRJ. There's the file, and there's the image. So we'll open that, and it'll open with Photoshop. And you can already see here that I've just put my new logo on. But what we're going to do, we're going to take that out, and we're going to add the logo back into it. Okay. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to use the Content Aware tool. So let's get our selection tool, which is that one. And that's just Command and plus, and we'll make that a little bit bigger. So here we go. So we're just going to select, and we don't want to go too far away from the logo. We're going to go fairly close, and we'll go around it gently. Now the way this works is that the Photoshop program looks at what's around that image and thinks to itself, okay, well, I'm going to copy roughly what's around there and blend it in, and that's the way it does it. It just has a look at what's around there. So here we go, and that's it. So that's the area selected. So we'll go to File, Edit, Fill, and then Content Aware, and I use it a lot. Content Aware is already selected. So we'll click OK, and the computer then will go away and do what it does best, looks around what I've selected and pastes in what it thinks. So sometimes it will get it wrong, and you just go back and do it again, but this time it's done what it always does, and it's taken it out nicely. So we now go and find our logo, which is in a folder called Website, which is just there, and I should have it. There we go. That's the new logo. Open that up. So you can see this checkered area here. That means it's on a transparent background. So I can paste it over an image without being a solid block. So we're going to copy this, which is Command and A, and that'll put the marching ants around that area, and then Command and C, because I'm on a Mac. So that's copied it, go to our image, Command and V, and that pastes it, and there it is. Look, it's there already. So we'll now select that, and we'll move him across. So there we go. Let's just move this. Let's just drag it down. If I hold the Shift key, when I make it bigger, it won't distort it. Don't want it that big. There we go. That's a nice size, and we'll just move that up a little bit. That's it. That's lovely. That stands out nice. That. Okay, so that's our logo. You can see that that is the background here, that's the logo. So we're just going to combine those two layers. So we've just hit return, and that puts it in the right place, and we're going to go to layer, flatten image, and that turns both the layers into one, and there's the logo in place. And we'll just do File, Save, and that's just going to overwrite the original file. Okay. So that's ready for me to now post on Instagram. Join me later for more videos, more Photoshop techniques, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.